Welcome to the video and to the channel. We are the Stranger Theories and we are back with another video. We hope you enjoy. Today, we look at the theory, what if Hopper is actually a arsonist and committed very many crimes before the time of Stranger Things? While this may seem crazy, there is a lot of evidence to support this mind-bending idea. Let's get into it. First of all, this theory comes up in one of the newest episodes when Hopper runs inside with experience to go bomb the lab. We know he has had experience with this as he talks about the war a lot and he is so willing to do this. As you can see, throughout show Hopper had extreme experience in killing so many people and police officers too. Hopper tends to feel none regret as he kills the people and he even escaped the Russia which no one had done before. Also, in season 4, Hopper killed the Demogorgon even when the Demogorgon is too hard to kill. He has so much experience in killing the people with every weapon, which is very strange. This can only mean two things. Either Hopper practiced all the weapons before at home in his free time, which we know isn't true, or Hopper has a secret evil arsonist backstory which we do not know yet. So it is very obvious Hopper has the strange obsession with the weapons of all kind, and that he uses them all the time throughout show. But the most obvious thing the Hopper does is when in season 3, Hopper wants to blow himself for no reason when he could have just run away. This must be because Hopper really likes being exploded like he used to, which makes even more evidence that he is the arsonist. Furthermore, in season 5 Hopper is wanting to blow himself again. He put the bomb underneath his jacket for fun, which is selfish, but makes sense because Hopper is very used to being bombed and secretly has powers stopping him from keep blowing up. This is confirmed in another theory, which we will get into another day. This completely confirms that Hopper is still stuck with his arsonist headspace and wants to keep blowing the people up. Finally, the best evidence is in season 2 when Hopper throws a bomb at the Hawken lab and it breaks the building. This released the Demogorgons, which killed the Bob so that the Hopper could get to the Joyce. This is evil behavior and confirms that Hopper's evil plan was always in motion from the beginning and that the Hopper has always been evil. So what does this mean for the future? Well, I think it is obvious that we will either see Hopper blow everyone in show, or Hopper will overcome his urge to blow things up and he will stop being arsonist, which is exactly how the show's themes are too. I think he loves the Elle, so he will not blow her up and finally be good like all along and stop killing people and take the responsibility. Anyway, thank you for watching this crazy theory and I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, share and subscribe to never miss another Stranger Theory video. Have a good day. Stranger Theories out.